Hello everyone, this is Norman from Chinese Jiaoyang. We are the supplier of various wire mesh welding machine. Today, let me introduce this reinforcement mesh machine to you guys. First, you can see the wire payoff reel. Max loading capacity is 2000 kg. And then the long wire goes through the detection device. The main function of this is it can stop the machine automatically when the long wire runs out. Then the long wire goes through the straightening rollers. This is the first long wire feeding system. The main power is from this motor and those cylinders, and the function of those cylinders is clamping the long wire. And then you can see this buffer and balance system. You can see the second long wire feeding system. It's powered by this servo motor, so the feeding movement is very accurate. And then the long wire goes through this main welding machine. The close wire comes from this magazine. The max loading capacity of this magazine is 1500 kg. After the welding finished, the mesh panel will go through this cutting machine. You can set the length you want. The cutting machine will cut the length automatically. And this is the final step, the mesh turning device. It can turn the mesh panel up and bottom over 180 degrees to reduce the stacking head and lower the transport costs. Thank you.